Hey friends, if you wish to check how much video RAM you have on your system or VRAM, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. I should let you know that VRAM is not the same as the what do we say GPU RAM or DRAM and all of that. I'll show you what it is. It is RAM dedicated to videos. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the display tab on the list on the left hand side, select display, and then you can scroll down and select advanced display. Click on display adapter, adapter properties for display 1, and then you have options here which will mention dedicated video memory, which is 512 MB right now. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.